Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, hope you all will be fine. Student, as you know, we already have discussed about the food to make or to break, and this is your chapter number 20. So today we will discuss the short questions and the answer of this chapter. Our first short question is define these with examples. Photosynthesis, respiration, aerobic respiration, chlorophyll, and anaerobic respiration. Students, we already have discussed all these terms during our explanation during our previous lectures. So today we will take a review of these terms. Photosynthesis. Students, photosynthesis is the process by which plants make food by using carbon dioxide and light energy, carbon dioxide and water. Carbon dioxide and water react with each other in the presence of sunlight inside the chlorophyll, and glucose and oxygen will be formed in the process of photosynthesis. Second term is respiration. Students, we already have discussed it in more detail. So the chemical process, respiration is also a chemical process, and in which energy is released from the breaking down of glucose or other food substance is called respiration. बेटा जो फूड हम इंटेक करते हैं तो वो ग्लूकोज में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है हमारी बॉडी में. उस ग्लूकोज से एनर्जी ऐसे ही नहीं मिल जाती. पहले उस ग्लूकोज का रिएक्शन होता है ऑक्सीजन के साथ इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ रेस्पायरेशन. उस रिएक्शन के रिज़ल्ट में एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस होती है जो हमारी बॉडी फर्दर कंज्यूम करती है वर्क डन के लिए. एक्सलेशन टू एक्सेल द टू रिमूव द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फ्रॉम द बॉडी, एंड इनहेलेशन इज़ द intake of oxygen, inhale of oxygen from surroundings. Next term is aerobic respiration. Students, we already have discussed that there are two types of respiration: aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. So students, aerobic respiration, the difference between aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration is that in aerobic respiration, glucose combined with oxygen in living cells to release most of the energy needed by the body, and carbon dioxide and water are the waste products formed in this process. While in anaerobic respiration, it is the process of respiration which takes place without oxygen. We can say respiration without using oxygen is called anaerobic respiration. Chlorophyll. What is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is actually a green pigment found in the chloroplast in the cells of green plants in the leaves. And it looks like this under the microscope. Our second question is, what is anaerobic respiration and which organism get energy from this? As we discussed it in question number 1, that respiration without using oxygen is called anaerobic respiration. ये रेस्पायरेशन की एक ऐसी काइंड है जिसमें ऑक्सीजन यूज़ नहीं होती. ऐसे ही ग्लूकोज का ब्रेक डाउन होता है जिसकी वजह से ग्लूकोज जो है वो कंप्लीट ब्रेक डाउन नहीं होता ग्लूकोज का. क्योंकि कंप्लीट ब्रेक डाउन नहीं होता ग्लूकोज का, इसीलिए एनर्जी भी लेस क्वांटिटी में हम हासिल करते हैं एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन में. एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन अकर इन स्मॉल प्लांट्स एंड माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स लाइक बैक्टीरिया, and bacteria get energy from this type of respiration. Student, this is all about the short questions. You have to learn and write these short questions in your homework copies, and you also learn these questions. Thank you.